Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted emails in Gmail on your PC. So for you to be able to recover your mails in Gmail, here is how you can get it done. First thing you have to do is, before you can recover a particular mail, that means you must have already made it by mistake delete a particular mail. So right now I'm just going to pick a particular mail right now, delete it. So I'm just going to go back and recover it. So I'm just going to pick this particular one, which is the Binance private stocks option is about Binance. So I'm just going to click on this, which is marked. As I marked it, then I'm just going to click on the delete button up here. Okay, good. You see conversation to trash, and that's you can easily over email. So now we come down here under drafts, then click on the drop down button, which is the more. Then you scroll down a little, then you click on trash, and right here you can see this particular mail right here, deleted mail, is rightly located inside the trash. Now I can cover this back to my mail by just simply click on this mark and okay, trying to figure something out. Then right here you right click, then move back to your inbox, or probably just click on this option and move back to any one of your friend, or probably going to move back to just right click on it, back to your back. So let's go back to my inbox, then see it's back. That's it. Find this video helpful, like and follow. Thank you.